Smart Guided Assembly is a vision-based software solution that guides the operator with instructions and real-time feedback in assembling components, verifying the assembled unit, and tracing reports for each assembly. Optical inspection of assembly step is performed using AI technologies and image processing. Smart Guided Assembly's user-friendly UI enables any authorized person to create an assembly process with ease. Cycle time and productivity analysis reports are available. Smart Guided Assembly can be easily integrated with existing production line or workstations. In a factory environment, for any complex assembly, training and operator error is huge overhead. With Smart Guided Assembly, these overheads can be mitigated and productivity can be improved. Smart Guided Assembly's intuitive UI helps any authorized user to create assembly or inspection sequences with ease. Smart Guided Assembly provides on-screen instructions of the assembly process. Component presence, orientation, and position will be detected in real time. An alarm will display in case of any mistakes in assembly. Barcode and OCR reading traceability are also supported. Smart Guided Assembly system generates the report of assembly process. The report includes cycle time and job statistics, which can be viewed under Job Report.